Now he's falling asleep though.
Yeah. This one takes forever to feed because he's the runt. He's like, no, I don't want it. No, I don't want it. He'll get a couple good. No, I don't want it. You need to take it. Don't fall asleep with it in your mouth. Wake up. It's like he has no suction, but watch this. That is powerful suction. Can I have it back? Give me back. Give me back. Just kidding. Tammy got it. So, why are we crying? Why are we crying? Yeah, see, that's better. Look at the precious little face. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. You gotta wake up to eat. There we go. It went away? It went away. Yes, you're really good. You're a good little baby. This is the boy. The only boy. Don't fall asleep. You gotta keep doing. You gotta keep doing it. There you go. And this little monster of an angel that you claim was just screaming bloody murder. Die. So, does he look like he is now? No. So, he was doing the same thing. He didn't want the big bottle. He didn't want the little bottle. So, I got the syringe, which is about 2.5. So, he ate a full meal. Sorry, I'm looking at different things. He ate a full freaking meal. So, everybody ate.